How to see hidden photos on iPhone iOS 18? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your hidden photos on your iPhone. If you've ever hidden photos in your library and want to access them, I'll guide you through the steps. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see the Utilities section. Under Utilities, you'll find the Hidden album. If you don't see Utilities, scroll to the bottom and tap Customize. Make sure Utilities is enabled so that the Hidden album appears in your Photos app. Now tap on Hidden, and you'll be asked to verify your Face ID or passcode. Once verified, you'll be able to see all your hidden photos and videos. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.